Jatend piny William Ruto obago romo gi jotelo mag riwruoge mag kembe ji giwegi kama ne gitwake yore mag bero sekta mar tuke pachoka. Romo ma kamano notimore okinyi ma kawuono e par lo jatend piny e buore Nairobi. E romo ma kamano oyangore ni dhi keto okenge makare e sekta mar tuke mar neno ni jo Kenya ma nigi were mopogore opogore oyudo kaka ginyalo konyore kokalo kuom weche mag tuke.
Opportunity not just to get it light on sports, but we connect that with culture, content creation, fashion, and regional identity of the country. So it's a bigger picture because they are all interlinked.
As we take this breakfast meeting, Your Excellency, we are energized to face Africa Cup of Nations preparations with vigor. Vigor in ensuring that we have formidable infrastructure, but also having the structures to prepare a formidable team that is going to win the trophy.
It is our collective responsibility because it speaks to the nation, the welfare of the nation, the stability of the nation, the engagement with the young people of our nation, and the profile and branding of our nation, where we all live in, where you do business, and where we all belong.